Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is my next day. I am on Austria ride on this beautiful machine by Brixton, that is Cromwell 1200. Yesterday, you must have seen in last video that I couldn't go to Grossglockner because it was snowing, and then I rode almost from Zell am See. I rode 10 kilometers roughly, and then it was too cold, raining. So I came and stayed at this very pretty hotel, and I'll just take you inside. There's so beautiful collection of all the scale models. So my bike, I've parked it in shed. I'll get it and then I'm going to fix all my luggage. Then I'll start my journey. You know, since morning it is cold, cloudy and pretty, but right now it has just started drizzling. मुझे नहीं पता क्या हो रहा है, बारिश खत्म ही नहीं हो रही यहाँ पर, लेकिन hopefully आज last day है बारिश का यहाँ पर. Now I'll just show you this hotel and I'll start prepping up and leave as soon as possible. This is the entrance. So here they have so many scale models. And here in Austria, skiing is very prominent. I'll just show you where I've kept my bike last evening. There it is. Right now I am ahead of Zell am See, and this location is Maishofen. I might be pronouncing it wrong. My today's plan is to visit Brixton dealership, which is on my way to Innsbruck. In India, we are used to rains and we are used to cold, but not this cold where temperature is around 1 or 2 degrees. So for me, it was getting literally difficult. And in last video, you must have seen literally my hands were swollen. I was unable to feel anything. Even my GoPro, I was unable to turn it off. But today I am again all set. I think this is what bikers are made up of, that they just don't stop when they have bike and many miles to munch. Like today is the last day of rains, and I am hoping that from tomorrow onwards I'll get a sunny day where I can literally shoot beauty of this Austria. Now it is almost 2 hours ride and it started to rain. Oh no! Hello. Thank you. ठंड इतनी ज़्यादा है कि मेरे हाथ अंदर से पूरे फ्रीज़ हो चुके हैं. वार्म ग्लव्स की अहमियत मुझे अभी पता चल रही है. मेरे हाथ इतने फ्रीज़ हो गए, वापस सूज गए पूरे. When I take my next break, I'll buy those warm gloves, क्योंकि ये भीग गए हैं. और प्रॉब्लम ये है ना कि भीगने के बाद में और बारिश आ ही रही है. ओके, लेट्स गो. तो मैंने थोड़े कैश साइड में निकाल के रख लिए क्योंकि टोल पर प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है, इसलिए. और 1 hour टू गो. दरअसल दिक्कत ये भी है ना, मैंने थोड़ा लेट स्टार्ट किया क्योंकि बहुत ठंड थी. मुझे लगा थोड़ी बारिश कम हो जाएगी. So there we go towards Innsbruck. Today somehow it is too cold. Right now I am at Moto Bear. It's very cold, you can see it on my face. But this is one multi-brand dealership, but they prominently sell Brixton. Now let's go inside. So my bike personally have performed extremely well so far. Today somehow I am feeling too much cold and I'm going to run inside. I'm going to show this Moto Bar entirely to you. There are many brands, even Indian brands are there. You can see how huge this is. There are multiple brands. Hi. Overall, Brixton has a very huge lineup, right from 125cc to 1200cc. I have been riding 1200cc from past 4 days and experience is incredibly well. I plan to ride this very soon. You will see in upcoming videos. These are other segments: Felsberg, Rayburn, Sunray and Cromwell. Like I said that I am at Moto Bear, and here is Ferdinand, and he manages Moto Bear along with his family. So let's understand more about Brixton bikes, what all models they have in Austria and which is the largest selling.
Hi.
Hello. I just wanted to understand which models do Brixton, which is the highest selling model.
One of the most selling bike is the Cromwell 1200. It
Okay.
has good power.
Right.
It's a modern bike. In
It's like
old school
classic
look.
with the modern
it's a classic
combination.
with modern. But we also sell the 125 really much.
You guys treat bike the way
Yeah,
a rider
yeah.
or a
Like
biker
you
will.
would do it.
Yes,
Yeah.
that is great. Okay, that's it. Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
perfect.
Yeah. At Moto Bear, they have a museum of more than 100 bikes. Wow. That's classic 500. Oh, speed triple. Just look at this. BSA. This was Moto Bar for you all. They also have service station. They have everything. You name it, they will have it. They also rent bikes. So if you are in Austria and you wish to travel across Austria or Europe, you can come here, rent a bike. Now I'm going to be back on this saddle. I just got these waterproof gloves because mine was totally soaked in water and it was getting too cold. My fingers were swelling and I was losing sense of touch. Well, if you can see there, when I came, it was snowing the top, but right now clouds are coming down and I'm sure temperature must have dropped. But these gloves are making me feel warm. My plan was to go to Innsbruck, but now I'm planning to go ahead of that. It's almost 5 PM. I intend to ride for more 2 hours. Let's go. I was thinking to go to Swarovski World, which is nearby, but I might skip it and I'll go ahead of Innsbruck. This is in river. That is the reason city which lies on the opposite side is called as Innsbruck. If I will take the right turn, I'll reach Innsbruck city. I'm going to skip that. I'm going to go ahead of it because in next video you're going to see one amazing route, and I just wish that it is open for bikers because it's snowing everywhere. So if I take right, I'll go to Innsbruck. Right now I'm not going to enter there. Look at the majestic mountains. Hey Bhagwan. This bike is not even wobbling and giving me any vibrations. I am fueling up. So I'm not used to it. It takes little extra time to entirely fuel up. Okay, so it is done, and 11.54 liters in 18.11 euros. Just fueled up my bike and picked up my dinner because this helps to save time. Look at that place. It's all snow. Let's go and touch this. This looks like candy floss.